How to stream Netflix on Discord without having a black screen. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. In this video I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can stream Netflix on Discord without having the black screen. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First of all, open your Google Chrome browser and then go to the three dots on the top right corner. After that, scroll down until you find the option for settings. Once the setting menu loads up on the left hand side, go to the option called System. After the system settings opens up, you have to toggle off the option called Use Graphic Acceleration when available. Once you tap it off, you'll have to relaunch the Google application once again. While that happens, open your Discord application, then go to the user settings. Scroll down until you find the option called Advanced. Here you need to toggle off the option for hardware acceleration and then relaunch this application as well. Simply tap OK over here and then your Discord application will be relaunched. Then when it relaunches, go to the user settings once again and then scroll down on the left hand side until you find the option for registered games. Here simply tap on Add-in, make sure you've opened Google Chrome and then toggle on the option for Toggle Overlay. After that you can escape and then you can select the server where you want to start streaming. Once you do so, go to the voice channel option and then you can simply see the option for screen share available on the bottom left over here. So simply tap on it and then you'll be asked to confirm which application you want to use to stream. Then after you've confirmed, select on Go Live and after that go to Google Chrome and make sure that you've signed in onto your Netflix and then you can start streaming. As you can see on the bottom right over here, it has started. And there you go. That is how you can stream Netflix on Discord without a black screen. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider supporting us by subscribing to the channel.